Hi, in this video I have a Bosch oven that the inner light doesn't want to turn on. Now that would usually mean that you have to change the light bulb, but in my case it didn't help. So now I'm going to inspect it more closely and show you step by step on how to fix it. First we can have a closer look on the model. This is from Bosch and has the self-cleaning program, Pyrolyse. Inside the light bulb is normal, it's not LED. And whenever I turn on the light, for example, it doesn't want to light up. Now when I turn it, we can hear the relays turning on, but the lamp doesn't work. Also, if I turn on a baking program, it would start, but the light still wouldn't turn on. Now I've already tested all the programs work normally, and I also checked if the light bulb is defective or not. Mine is pretty good, and just in case I measure it and then I also change it with a new one. It still doesn't want to light up. So when you have a closer look here, I have found right there we have some components that have been burned out. Now the relays look good, and other than that I don't see any problems. And today we're going to remove this electronic and change the components. Now before we start doing anything, of course we need to disconnect the device from the electricity. After that I'm going to start by taking out the cables gently. Make sure I don't damage them. If it's too hard, make sure you wiggle it. Don't pull so hard. And out it comes. Now I have here an old defective electronic that I'll be using for spare parts, and we'll take the components from here. Now when you do this, you shouldn't force it. Just make sure it's hot enough. Now we will take the defective one and remove the burnout components from it. Well, it's not my best work, but we're always pressured with time, so this will have to do. Besides, what's important is that it's functional and there's a good connection. And now we're gonna go test it. Okay, now make sure that you put every cable from exactly where you take it out on the same spot. Start with the big ones first, it's the easiest. Okay, let's turn it on and see how we did. There you have it. The light works again. Now I just gotta make sure that I put back the screws and don't forget them, and close the lid, and then I'll be done.